Recently, the wizards at MixAnalog.com released their stereo 1176 clone. What is it? Revision A? No. Revision D? No. Revision G? No. All three in one piece of hardware. And again, it's stereo. So in this video, I'm checking out really quick. And if you want a longer video, I have that up on the second Real Home Recording channel. Let's check it out right now. Let's move on to revision D, and you choose that over here. Let's check out our favorite thing in the world. Drum overheads, maybe drum room mics, but let's reset this. So just press, I press these buttons up here. 1, 2, 3. We could also do recall. Okay, well they don't have a reset on the presets. You could add your own though. So I'll just go to number 2, press D. Shift click any of the ratio buttons to put it into all buttons in mode, and then find the drum overhead file again and hit play. Turn up the output from the converter, turn up the input on the compressor. If you didn't see what I just did there, I changed the attack and release knobs so that they are at the fastest. I'm assuming it's the fastest, because yes, that does affect the tone of the compressor in all buttons in mode, all ratio buttons in mode. By the way, I love to just ignore the gain reduction meter when it comes to bass guitar and the 1176. Seriously, just like pretend like this is just covered up. I'll do it right now on screen. All right, let's move on to, I don't know, acoustic guitar. What happened? Oh, the control got reset for some reason. That is super clean. Wow. I like it though. Just as a reminder, if you'd like a longer video, I have it up on the second Real Home Recording channel. I'll link to that below. And if you want to check this out for yourself, again, MixAnalog.com. That's MixAnalog.com. It's free for at least one more week. After that, it's relatively affordable to rent this in the cloud, as they say. Right now, they're having issues with Google Chrome, so I would recommend using Mozilla, Firefox, or I use SeaMonkey personally. Bye.